Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about private constructors in C Sharp, why we are using, what benefit of it for us. Actually, constructor is a special method that is called automatically when we create an object of a class. Its job is to initialize the new object, setting initial values for its field and perform any setup needed. Normally, constructors are public, meaning they can be called from anywhere in the code to create the instance of that class. A private constructor is a different because it's accessible only within the class itself, not outside of it. By making a constructor as private, actually we are preventing other part of our program from directly creating the instance of that class. This is restriction, and this restriction is very much useful in different scenarios, like to prevent instantiation of object for that particular class. Sometimes a class is designed to provide only static methods or properties and does not need to be initiated. By using a private constructor, we can make sure no one, either intentionally or unintentionally or accidentally, create an object of that class, which could lead to confusion, unnecessary memory usage. So here I have written a code where I have written a class called math utility, in which I have made the constructor private as you are seeing on the screen. And now I have created a method, and that this is static method having two parameters. So now if I want to call this, since it is having a private constructor, I can't able to create its instance. So what how I can access this one? By creating the class name, by writing the class name and dot method name. If it requires certain parameter, then we can send it like this. So in this way we call these static methods. Second thing, we use private constructor to implement singleton pattern. Actually, a singleton is a design pattern that restricts a class to only one instance. This can be helpful for classes where only one instance should exist, such as database connection or a logging manager. A private constructor combined with static methods that control access is to be used to singleton instance. Here I have written another class, database connection class, which contain this private constructor, okay, as you are seeing on the screen. And then I have written a method called get instance, which is a static type of method in which I am going to initialize this class. And now in the same way, I can access that get instance method like database connection, which is the name of my class, and dot get instance, which can either create the instance if it does not exist, and if it exists it doesn't create the second instance for that one. In this way, database connection is actually guaranteed to have no one, to have only one instance actually, which all part of the program can share. So in summary, we can say like a private constructor is a constructor that only one, that only the class itself can call, and prevent creating object of class that only contain static methods. We implement a singleton to ensure only one instance of a class exists throughout the application. In short, if I need to summarize, a private constructor controls how instances of a class are created, making it a valuable tool in structuring a program logic and memory usage. I think you got some idea.